My name is Abby, I work for Candade, and I'm going to show you how to build a skateboard. The kit that you've got has a lot of stuff in it, so I'll go through that really fast. You have a skateboard deck, 2 trucks, skateboard utility tool, your wheels, washers, nuts, screws, an Allen wrench, bearings, grip tape, and a utility knife. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to apply the grip tape, affix the wheels to the trucks, and then put the trucks on the skateboard, and then it'll be good to go. So we're going to start with our grip tape. The underside is a sticky side, so we'll start by just peeling off paper. Start pressing the grip tape down, rub out any bubbles. Once you've got your grip tape on your skateboard, all the air bubbles out, you're going to take your skateboard utility tool, use one of the metal edges, go around the whole skateboard, and just grind away on the edge and get a nice fine line. It'll look like this when you're done. All right, once you've done that, grip tape's ready to be cut. Take your utility knife and just go all the way around. Be super careful not to cut yourself on either the grip tape or the knife. This doesn't have to be perfect. So now all of the excess grip tape is cut off. So I'm just gonna go around one more time, clean up the edges, make it look a little nicer, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so next we're gonna put the bearings inside the wheels. I'm gonna do it by putting a bearing on the truck and then pressing the wheel into it. And it will go in a little bit, but the goal is you want to get the bearings to be a little recessed in the wheel. It helps if you can use the floor and just press into the floor with all of your body weight. All right, so next we're gonna attach all the wheels to the trucks. So you're gonna take a washer, pop that on, the wheel, a second washer, and then an axle nut. You can start just screwing them on with your fingers. We'll tighten them at the end. So now that all your axle nuts are on finger tight, find the size on the skateboard tool that fits and go around each one and tighten it up as much as you can. So next step, now that everything's tightened up on the trucks, we're gonna attach them to the deck. So you're gonna have a tiny Allen wrench somewhere in your kit, and we're just gonna go through from the bottom where all of these holes are and just poke holes through. All right, so for each hole through the top, push a screw all the way through. So they'll be sticking through on the other side just a little bit. All right, so now that you've got all 8 screws in your skateboard deck sticking out the back a little bit, we're gonna flip it upside down and start attaching the trucks. The most important part when attaching the trucks on is that the smooth part faces outwards. Pop it on, push the screws through any more if you need to, and then take these little nuts and screw them on finger tight all the way around. You're gonna take your Allen wrench, and on this side, stuff the Allen wrench into the screw, like that. Make sure it's firm, and then on the other side while you do that, take your skateboard tool on the nut and tighten it as much as you can. So now that the trucks are fully attached to the board, we're going to go through one more time, just double check that any nuts that need to be tightened are as tight as they can be, so these are safe for kids to learn how to skateboard on. Now that you've double checked that all your nuts are secure, these things are safe for kids to ride, all of these skateboards are gonna be used to give kids a healthy outlet, encourage them to get outside, so thank you for participating. Be sure to take pictures of your skateboards, send us videos of you building them, tag Candade on social, and thank you so much.